Hello guys, how to fix Microsoft Word stuck when saving a document. Sometimes you try to save your Word documents and it will get stuck. How to fix this? At first launch Microsoft Word and we will fix these issues when Microsoft Word from freezing when saving a documents. Disable advanced. Go to file, choose more, choose options, and here go to add-ins. We will disable add-ins to fix this issue. Go to manage and here click on go and select your add-ins and choose the option remove. Sometimes removing add-ins to fix these issues. The second workaround is again go to the file, choose open, and we will choose browse, select your Word documents which is choose open and click on open and repair. It will repair the Word documents and try to launch Microsoft Word. Other option is again go to file, choose more, choose account and update Microsoft Word. Click on update option and choose update now. Checking for updates, Microsoft Office will update now and your error will resolve accordingly. The next workaround is again press bin plus R shortcut key to launch run command box. Here execute the command win word slash save. It will open Microsoft Word in safe mode. Click OK and you will see Microsoft Word is open now in safe mode. Microsoft Word safe mode. And check whether your Microsoft Word is stuck or not after saving. Next workaround, again launch run command box and choose appbiz.cpl and it will open apps and features installed in your system. Uninstall or change a program, choose Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office and choose the option change from the top menu bar and let the window complete the process.